As COVID rise, the online jobs has been more in demand. And one way to land in an online job is having not just a good cover letter, but an effective one. In this video, I'll give you some guide or practices in writing an effective cover letter to get hired. So stay tuned and get your pen and paper. Tip number 1. The purpose of your cover letter. Cover letter is a friendly and a professional way of introducing yourself. The purpose of it is to get an interview or to be interviewed. This is also your welcome letter for your prospects. Tip number 2. Don't duplicate your resume or your cover letter. Many of job seekers thought that having long cover letter or putting every information in your cover letter from your resume can attract the reader's attention. But in fact, you're making your cover letter so boring. The purpose of the cover letter is to let them open your resume and to know more about you. Tip number 3. Recognize your audience. Sometimes there is no information about the company or whom to address the letter. Observe the job posting and the job title. Know the business if there's any business link on the job posting to their company or to their businesses, or you can search it if it's stated. Then take the right words. Tip number 4. Address the problem. In your cover letter, it's very important to understand the pain, the problem, or the needs of the business because it shows that you read the job posting and also you are interested to give solutions to them. Tip number 5. Tell the story. Narrate everything and not just dictate it. Make it entertaining. Tip number 6. Make sure you is greater than I. Your cover letter tells about you, but should not focus on you. This is not all about yourself, but rather what can you provide to their business as well their needs. Because when everything is all about you, they might lose their interest to you. Tip number 7. Make it readable. We don't want to mislead our readers. Choose the right words. Avoid too much creative works on your cover letter, like the fonts, inserting photos, or any graphics unless it is a requirement. Check your punctuation marks, spacing, paragraph composition, and alignment. Tip number 8. What you can provide to their business. What is your solution to their needs? Why they're hiring? Because their needs solutions. Tip number 9. Be concise. Make it short, direct, and clear. Don't make flowering words to your cover letter. Tip number 10. Call to action. Basically, call to action or CTA is an overall performance of your cover letter. This is where you will invite or attract them for an interview. We don't want a thanks but no thanks idea, so keep your cover letter attractive. If you enjoyed this video, please comment below if you want to know the 5 parts of an effective cover letter. Thank you and have a nice day.